In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a document management system in Notion Unpaid template. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple but powerful place to organize your important files, notes, and references using a free template inside Notion. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of pages. We're going to add a new system by starting from one of Notion's built-in templates, so look for the option labeled Templates. Go ahead and click on Templates to open the template gallery. When the gallery appears, you'll notice there are a lot of categories and pre-made pages. Rather than scrolling through everything, we'll use the search feature to find exactly what we need. At the top of the Templates window, click on the search bar. This will let you quickly filter all available templates. Now type in Document Management in the search bar. As you type, Notion will show you any templates that match those keywords. These are designed specifically to help you store and organize documents, whether they're PDFs, images, contracts, or internal notes. Give it a second to load the results, then look through the options that appear. Next, click on one of the document management templates that looks like it fits your needs. When you select a template, Notion will show you a preview on the right side. Take a quick moment to scan through that preview. You'll usually see a database with columns for things like document name, category, status, or tags, along with a few example entries. This preview helps you understand how the system is structured before you add it to your own workspace. When you're happy with your choice, click on the Add button. Notion will then create a copy of that template inside your workspace. This might take a moment, but once it's added, you'll see a brand new page with the full document management system ready to customize. From here, you can rename the page to something like Document Management System, remove any example entries, and start adding your own documents. You can upload files directly, link to external sources, and adjust properties like tags or categories to match the way you work. Over time, this template becomes your central hub for everything important, making it much easier to find what you need without digging through random folders or emails. And that's all you need to set up a document management system in Notion using an unpaid template.